OEM jet sizes are included in the kit. Includes float bowl and cap hardware. Off-road use only. Models with 2 carburetors include components to repair 2 carburetors. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. I used this kit to rebuild the carburetor on my 1995 Honda 300 TRX. Everything was a perfect fit and I had the ATV back in action in no time. This kit costs less than half what a factory Honda rebuild kit does and everything is a drop-in replacement. A+.